On behalf of Expert Village, I'm Terry, and today I'm going to show you how to use a handheld grinder. On the air tools, you can use 3-in-1 oil, or you can get actual air tool oil at most auto parts stores or your hardware store. You drop 1 to 2 drops down in your drill or down in your grinder, and then you operate your grinder for about 30 seconds and let the excess oil blow out. And wipe it down with a rag, and you're ready to go. On this particular die grinder here, there's a little ball bearing insert right here, which is used to grease the head. You can buy the little there's a little pump with a little trigger on it that just takes regular grease, and you pump it right into the head. This one is just basically a drop to 2 drops of 3-in-1 oil, or even a motor oil will work. But you need to keep them lubricated, especially if you have excess air in your lines. If you're in a humid spot of the country, you will have a lot of excess water in your lines, and they will rust your tools. As far as this electrical die grinder, it's basically the same thing. There's actually no maintenance on it. If it doesn't work, you're going to basically have to throw it away unless you know someone that you can pay that's authorized to fix it. You can examine the electrical cord as in the other grinders, and just make sure there's no fraying or no cuts or nothing, none of the insulation exposed. So as far as maintenance, that's about all you have to do to your grinders.